During the walk-around check on his customer's private jet, Steve noticed damage to its radome. It looks like it's been hit by a bird, and the jet is now grounded. Steve contacts Specto for a quick and thorough assessment of the damage to the radome, how best to deal with it, and when the jet can fly again. Without delay, Steve agrees to ship the unit to our facility in Lelystad, where our experienced engineers will take care of it. Being in this business for over 15 years, we understand our customers' requirements to receive quick feedback on when the unit will be back in service again. The faster the part is back on the aircraft, the sooner it can fly again. Our customer wants to know what type of repair will be applied, what the turnaround time will be, and the cost involved. We provide added value by thoroughly understanding the business our customers are in, which means that we can be seen as a true partner, seamlessly extending our customers' service to their clientele. Our communication is clear and transparent, and not surprisingly, sometimes our solutions go beyond the original request. We are skilled professionals, love the job we do, and are committed to our customers. Fortunately, we can quickly provide Steve from the Maintenance Control Center with a repair solution, which he accepts. And off we go, repairing this unit. It is our passion to work with high-tech composites, engaging our knowledge and craftsmanship in each and every one of our repairs. At Specto, we have all the required tooling and equipment available to perform practically any repair on composite components, including autoclave curing. Thanks to our autoclave, damaged parts requiring this sophisticated curing of the precisely performed repair by our engineers can be transformed into serviceable aircraft parts. Each part is thoroughly tested and inspected in accordance with its applicable data prior to being returned to our customer. We live to support our customers in having their aircraft available to fly, so you can understand how proud we are that our customers return to us every time they have a requirement for a repair. I'm asking you now, what do we, Specto, have to do to become your preferred repair shop for composite repairs? Specto, your #1 choice MRO partner for radomes, rotor blades, structures, flight controls, and nacelle parts.